Talk about massive. Alaska completely mogs all of the USA. The fact that we have one state that stretches all the way across the lower 48, that seems kind of crazy. Literally 2,400 miles approximately. Now, of course, we're using Alaska's islands as well, but just look at the actual chunk of landmass. This is basically as big as the Midwest. Alaska's area would cover 21% of the lower 48 states. That's almost a full quarter. Thank God Russia was stupid enough to sell this to us. Now, to be fair, the US and Russia was actually pretty cool with each other back then. A lot of people don't know this, but Alaska has over 2,000 islands. It's actually 2,670 to be exact. That is according to some estimates. Islands are kind of hard to define sometimes. And not only does Alaska control these islands that stretch far into the Pacific, but we also have this tail next to Canada. Everyone always forgets about this little tail, to be honest. I usually just put like a straight line down. And just north to south, you would be going from North Dakota to somewhere in southern Oklahoma. It's almost 1,000 miles upward. Problem, of course, with this state is that, well, nobody lives here. That's right, Alaska is literally that big, almost a quarter of all of the lower 48 states, yet they have less than 1 million population. And it's for good reason too. I mean, you kind of don't really want to live in Alaska. I did meet one girl from Alaska ever. She basically told me that everyone there is an alcoholic. I wish I was joking. That was literally what was said. There's just something about colder climates and alcoholism. I don't know. Isn't that right, old buddy Russia? No, but Alaska is increasingly becoming one of the most important territories that we have in all of the US, not only because it's so massive, it provides so many resources, but also a fantastic shipping hub when taking cargo from the US over to Asia or vice versa. I would make a bet, honestly, that Alaska is only going to increase its importance over the course of the next 100 years, especially after climate change. Climate change is going to radically increase the importance of Alaska, that's for sure.